Alright, just for about 2 minutes, alright? Okay folks, this is your PSA license application. Anybody who wants to work in security has to fill this out. First rule, fill it out in black pen, right? And also, may I suggest something before we even look at it? Let's go back a little bit. The very start. It says at the front, read the instructions. Fair enough? Give it 10 minutes of reading it. Read the instructions and it just tells you what they're looking for. If you're Irish, it's simple. To a certain extent. Alright? Because they will do your vetting for you in Tipperary. You do not have to go near the Garda station in any shape or form, alright? You just basically fill it out as best you can. We will give you what they call a proof of training to say that you've done your training here today, alright? We give that to you within 4 to 5 days. Then we give you the letter and it goes in with the application. So, when you look at it, all they're looking for is that they can read it. So if you've got fancy writing, alright, if you have fancy writing, lose it. Block capital letters. Black. First page, this is your first application. With you guys, it's yes. Stick on your photograph, no staples. Name, details, nationality. If they can't read it, the key one there is your PPS number. Everything in education comes back to your PPS number, including your FETAC cert. Next page. This is important. A few of you will have job offers. It says employment details. Fair enough? If you're going to get a job at Brinks or Noonan's or Group 4 or any of them big companies, or even a small company, alright, they can fill out this section for you with their license number, their contractor's number. Then when you send that in, put a note in with it to the PSA and say, I have been offered a job, can you please get this to me in the next 7 to 10 days? And they should fast track it a little bit for you because you have a job offer. Fair enough? Otherwise you have to wait. When you send the letter to them, please register it because otherwise it gets lost, you don't come back. Alright? This is security guard, tick security guard. Postal order check. I always like to use a check because if you, I'm married to a check, but that's another story. Alright? With the check, you can actually see when they've cashed it. Fair enough? So you know that they've actually cashed your money. And if they cashed your money, they've entered into a contract with you. Fair enough? If you ring them looking for something, they generally don't answer the phone too much because they're too busy. You can email them, but if you do ring, leave a message with your full name. If you're from Lithuania and your name is Andaras Vitaras, just say it slowly so they know who they're speaking to, alright? So fill all that in. Next page, extra bit of information that you can fill in. I have worked in security for 6 years or 12 years, need this license. Down the bottom again, name, signature, date, mobile number. If you have a landline number, it's nicer in some ways. Alright? Give them the landline number. Then, checklist. Application form, license fee, colour copy of passport. Colour copy. Complete a vetting form, there's a section in it, and then we will give you a letter. But just fill them all in, guys. Just read it carefully, alright? Next page over. Just more reading about the vetting. This is your vetting form. This is probably the most important part in the application. They need to know absolutely everything about you. Alright? From where you've lived since you were born. Within reason, obviously. If you lived in Spain for a week in Torremolinos, that doesn't count. Alright? So if you've got your 4 addresses from birth. So if you're Lithuanian or maybe Latvian or Polish, put down number 6, Doma, Krakow. Alright? Followed by where you've lived. Don't leave any blanks, otherwise they'll send it back to you. If there's a 2-year blank, they'll say, where were you? Alright? They'll wonder. Have you been convicted? Yes or no? Don't write never captured, never convicted, never caught. Alright? It's not a place for humour. Yes or no? As far as I'm aware, under Road Traffic Act, that's not relevant, but you should always write everything down about the issues you've had. Okay? Because you do not want to be seen to be hiding something. So, sign it, date it. Next thing, completion of FETAC award, this letter. We will give you this letter in 5 days, which says that you've done the course, your PPS number, everything signed off. Alright? And that's the application. When you've filled it out, come back to us and we will check it before you send it. Or ring us. We will give you a nice letter to go with it, and then we'll address it and you put all the contents in and send it off. Okay? Thank you very much. Alright?